Learning is not going to end because nature cannot be stopping teaching us. Is that true, or what do you think about it? Yeah, nature cannot be stopping teaching us in any way. After birth, yeah, nature is waiting to throw some kind of experiences, some kind of difficulties, maybe struggles, hurdles, miserable situations to us. It is quite natural. How do you feel right now? So, anyway, welcome back. Again, all of you, I'm wishing you all a great and wonderful day. And today, I'm so delighted to see you again on my channel. And of course, I hope all of you, are doing exceptionally great over there. Anyway, I would love to tell you this great truth of this nature, which is that without realizing the darkness or difficulties, how can we understand the easiness or beautiful, the flexibility to do something to in a right way, in a very confident way, right? Think about it. And if we have the confidence and we are developing that confidence, it is not easy to develop, but if we are really coming out to face the challenges, it can be anything I told you, maybe in the form of troubles and fear, maybe different ways, different interfaces. Okay, then coming to the matter, today we are focusing upon beginners of this language who are learning this language and in the initial stage of learning. Okay, so many people who might be facing this particular situation where we feel completely unable to express the emotions, feeling through this language. When somebody is asking you to tell about how is your day, how it has been for you, and how do you enjoy today, something like that. At that time, actually, you know about that. You know about your life is going, which way it is coming out, and how it is going the day. Everything you know about that, right? So, even though you know about it, though you know how to express it, but somewhere else you feel lagging behind to speak it out. That is a problem you have faced a lot in your life in this stage of learning this. Okay, the first and foremost tip I would say that, which is whatever you know, whatever you have learned so far till this time, you have to believe your power. Okay, whatever maybe you listened a lot English, try to reading is very important. You have to try to read aloud for some time daily, and when any vocabulary or any kind of this thing, vocabulary kind of idioms or new word for you come across, okay, so you have to write it down in a beautiful book, create a beautiful book for you, and revise sometime when you feel free. Just keep that vocabulary book with you always and try to read through when you feel free time. When you get free time, just look at that, because that is your goal, because which is that asset for you that can make you speak English in an effective way to anybody else, right? So listening is there, reading is there, and someday you have to write something as journal before go to sleep. Try to write whatever you feel. Then if you have the habit of doing this, practicing this four important things, because we know about that, which is very important. Everybody knows that, right? Listening to something in English, writing something in English daily, self-talk to speak with you something about it, about the day in English, and read aloud, not much aloud, but a little bit aloud daily. Any book, any of the genre, the area you love to read, and of course, revising the vocabulary. You have to write a sentence out of the new word and try to implement when you speak with anybody else in English. Okay. Then, which is the another things, try to speak with somebody else. These are the four important practice you must do daily if you are a English aspirant. Okay, this thing we know, and if you are really consistent on this practice, even though despite practicing everything, despite of this fact that you have already incorporated with this all habits, you feel still hesitant or uncomfortable to express your feeling beautifully, it is also bound to come out. So this is the challenge. This is the challenge of any learner, of any skill. Do not worry about it. We are going to tackle this problem. Okay. Everything you have been doing from a very long time, even though when the situation comes out for you to answer, to respond in English and express your simple thoughts of the day, how did you feel and the day, it means that your belief, you have to expand, you have to increase your belief itself. Okay, you have to give the respect of your effort, your sufferings, your tryings, how much you have tried out. You still, if you're a person has not tried out for anything, okay, we can think that, yeah, we have not tried, so how can I speak? Even though we are trying to learn in different ways by putting in a lot of great effort to learn, this situation of being uncomfortable and hesitant is also happens sometimes. So that time, what you want to do is that whatever you have grasped, whatever you have grabbed till this time so far, you can able to answer very beautifully with using basic simple words. It is not about simple words. Everybody is simple. If we know that, if we could learn that, right? So just for an example, I would give you some examples. Okay. For example, in our childhood, if somebody is asking our name, what's your name? This is the first thing we are taught in our school, right? Yeah, what is your name? My name is Tanya. My name is. You can able to answer it at any time. Because what is reason? We are trained to answer it many times. It is not because of that. You're confident to say your name because it is not going to change. It is fixed. You know the answer very correct. It is always correct. Nobody can judge that, right? The same thing you have to apply. Simple. Somebody is asking you for the day. How do you enjoy the day today? Yeah, what do you want to answer? You have to do not need to complex the answer. Simply, you can say, the word good, beautiful, wonderful, and you know about that word. Use it. And some different kinds of verbs. Think about write, run, flow. Flow in something, in a little bit, it's enough. but you have to answer it in a very positive, pleasant way. Think in a positive, pleasant way, and force and whatever you know in basic sentence, basic words. Okay, that has the great power. You think that sometime you may think that it is not powerful, some particular word, some particular kind of complex word you need to answer to make your answer beautiful. You think somewhere else, some point of time you tend to think that, right? Yeah, it is also happening. Maybe it has happened many times for me and many people. Yeah, if you are a learner of a language, right? Isn't it? Okay, if that is the case, if you have already undergone, experienced this situation and this kind of mindset that you have created, and it is being created inside of you, just try to make a change. Every word are very powerful. How, which way you are expressing it, which way you are trying to make a great feeling positively. How can we attract other people's mind, the thoughts? How can you give value? How can you add values to other thoughts? That is always important. That is always a substantial thing, very important thing. That is the important thing. Okay. Okay, you can answer in this way. If you know the word good, you know only good. Okay, then somebody is asking, yeah, my day is moving good. Yeah, how is your day? How it is moving today? Simply we try to express it. Try to make it positively, express it, modulate your thoughts, and because it has to come inside your heart, not artificially. It has to come in. Create. You have to create that positive environment, positive ambience, positive aura inside your heart. Okay, then it would be easy for you because you are telling without having any hesitancy, because you know, yeah, it's good. You can sternly say, yeah, it's moving good, it's running very good. Yeah, how is your day moving for you today? Simply you are asking. Then you feel to you should feel a calm and composed environment is creating inside of your mind. Then it would be easy for you. Yeah, I thought something, but it did not happen. Anyway, it is going very smoothly. It is coming out nicely. It's wonderful. It has been wonderful for me today. Simply express your feeling in a calm and composed way, in which you need to focus upon how to expression only, how to express your thoughts, because you are very confident about what has happened for you. You only know about that. Totally, you have to focus upon creating that positive environment when you are speaking with anybody else. Then they should feel that, yeah, it is somewhere else. We are not speaking in English, and it is rather than that, thinking about English, your mind is deviated towards completely expressing the feelings only. So with that, you are going to feel that easiness inside of you. Okay, so just do not make complex in your expression. Just to focus upon simply how can you express it in a beautiful way. So we have to train our mind, train ourselves to do that. That is important. So for that, There are so many other tips are there. You have to practice with that. You can do that. Okay. Okay, then we can discuss more tips in the next episode. Today, all in all, I want to say you that want to add this point also. You need to respect the effort that you put in each day. You have to work consistently and be disciplined and be always loyal and be dedicated to your learning process, to your learning. Okay, because be dedicated till not it is not learning is not going to end, because nature is not going to stop teaching us. We have started from this great tip, right? I think you remember that. So be dedicated always, forever. It is not going to end. We are a learner of any skill, even it is an English language or any language or any skill in the universe. Yeah, right. So believe in yourself. It means that you believe in your effort. Okay. Then when you speak with somebody else in this English language or any language, you have to give the importance to that person, their feelings. That is very important, because they talk their feelings depend upon their mindset, how they have created their mindset, right? So we have to understand that we are focusing upon creating that positivity through our answer. Okay, and moreover, I should add this point also. Your expressing power has to be more maximized. You have to give that importance to create beautiful expressing power in any language, even in your mother tongue also. Then when you focus more on expressing your feeling, you are not going to feel underconfident. Okay, this is the fact. Okay, but it takes some time. It takes some time for everybody. So just do not underestimate your power. Do not underestimate the power of basic word. Basic word is much powerful to express any feeling in any language. Okay. With that, we are going to end up today's whatever I want to share with you. We are going to meet in next video, and I think you have got some tips, some knowledge from me, and really I would love to know whatever you could understand and relate with me, with my words. And really I am wishing you all a great life ahead and great, beautiful, wonderful day ahead. Wish you all the best. Have a great day. Thank you. We can meet again till. Do not stop practicing and learning everything. Thank you.